Okay, we're in North York, Yonge Street, and Doncaster Avenue. And this restaurant, Golden Star, it says Golden Star Drive-In. I don't see no drive-in. Where's the opening? Where's the... Okay, hang on. How do you get in there? Oh, from there, okay. All right. All right. All right, let's go through here. So since 1964, Golden Star Restaurant. I'll take a picture of it. Thumbnail. Okay. Go in. Get some food. So, all for burger combo. I have a steak sandwich combo, chicken sandwich combo, Italian veal sandwich. I think I'm set for steak sandwich. And then we'll have to come back and try the veal sandwich. Cool. All right, Golden Star steak sandwich. I like mayo on my steak sandwich. So let me take a bite without it. Nice fresh Kaiser bun. Yeah, I like mayo. I should have got mushrooms. Take your bite. Take your bite. It's good. It's good. I like it. That's good. Tender. Nice hot gravy. Thick. Fries, the oil looks like it needs to be changed, but it's crispy. Definitely the oil needs to be changed. It's the end of the day for them, pretty much. But not bad. But the steak sandwich is nice change. Not having a burger. But I want to come back and try their veal sandwich. I love veal sandwich. Very hungry. So my first time trying Golden Star, I think I saw them on social media, so a while back now, and taking the bus today. I didn't see it the last time. I was taking the blue Viva bus to First Marketplace, but today I noticed the restaurant. I'm like, oh, here it is. So glad I tried it. I think this is pretty reasonable for a combo. 17. It's good. I love the Kaiser is nice, and then it's charcoal grilled. So, and they've been here since 1964. Wow. So, I will be back. I hope you guys come and check them out. Golden Star, North York, on Yonge Street. Take your bite. Very good.